I'm Jeannie, and this is the Color Stripes Bat Mitzvah invitation from Carlson Craft. This dramatic invitation is placed inside a black shimmer wrap that has been laser die cut to display the words Bat Mitzvah on the front. Vertical pastel colored stripes show through, and the name of the Bat Mitzvah will print in jumbo letters on the front of the folder. Inside, your wording details will appear, and we've added an optional full page of Hebrew wording for the finishing touch. This invitation measures 5.5 inches wide by 7 3/4 inches high. The coordinating reception and response enclosures will print on matching single card stock, and the thank you notes will print on folder stock. This invitation comes with single bright white envelopes. We show it here with an optional return address on the back flap. You may purchase this invitation from invitationsforless.com. To prepare this invitation for final assembly, have your folded invitation, the invitation wrap, and your supply sheet of glue dots face up in front of you. Turn the invitation around and press one glue dot down into each one of the 4 corners on the back. Then pick that up and insert it into the wrap so it's nice and centered. Press it down and you're ready to move on to final assembly.